Hey viewers, welcome to the beginners project. So let's start our video number 7. So today's lecture is about the first file page on the website. Okay, so let's start now. So here first of all we need to give a heading. Welcome to the MDC tag in the tag of center or H1 means heading. So next is slide how container. Slide how container means here we have to take a container in which all these slides are shown. Okay, so first of all we have to take three div sections. This is first and this is second and this is third. Okay, so first section what we have to take, this is number, first is number and then second is image and then third is text. Okay, here you can see the number and the text or this image. So as it is same as next section of div, you have to take same as it is a slide 1 section. Okay, and the slide third section same. And then let's move to the next. Here let's do some functions applying side here. Okay, class we give a preview matlab means that we have to go back. And on click function, you know that this means when you click on the tag, when you click on the place, the function is moved. Okay, so plus slides minus 1 and the end hash 10094. Plus slide means minus 1. In this minus 1, that shows you that you have to go back slide. Okay, 1 minus, that means the previous slide. Okay, so this is positive 1, that means you have to take a next slide. Okay, so this is this part of div or container is finished. Okay, so next let's take another part. Okay, another part of div, text align center. That means here we have to create some doors. That door, these are the doors 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's take some span tag and class door on click, same as function as we use here. Current slide 1 and current slide third, we give a 3 spans but same. Okay, but we change the number here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the dot means on click there here. When you click on the second dot, this shows you second slide, and when you click on the third dot, this shows you third slide, like this. Okay, now you understand. Now let's move to the next part. Here you can see there's Facebook link, Google link, Twitter link, LinkedIn link and YouTube. This is all the links where MCB bank you can connect here. Okay, so for the connection or links you are using a tag. Okay, this a tag means hyperlink. You can connect any other link with this. Okay, so let's do some JavaScript here. So here let's start now. Var slide index 1. Here var is our data type and the slide index our variable name. So in this variable name we put a 1. Okay, so slide show slides. Let's say now do some functions. Okay, function plus slide n. Now this plus slide, you have to remember this plus slide. Okay, n means you have to you can put there 1 or minus 1, anything. Now function is start here, show slides, slide index plus is equal to n. This means plus slide index plus is equal to n. When you put the minus 1 here, this go back to the previous slide, or when you put the here plus any positive value, this goes to the next slide. So first function is complete, so we come to the next function. So here you can see current slide. So we have a total three slides, one, two, three, and with one name, current slides. Okay. So here made a function with name of current slide and same and apply same function here. Okay. Now slideshow. Make another function with the name of slideshow. Now in this function, this n means you have a limited number of slides, but just we take three slides, so we made a function according to our slides. Okay, so var is equal to I, var is our data type, and then I is our variable. So now at this time, variable I is our empty. Okay, so move to the next variables. Var is our data type, slides is equal to document dot get element by class name and my slides. Here you have to go back my slides. That means this is my class. Okay, this is ID you can get. When you click on the slides here, when you click on the slides, this go back to the my slides and applies to some functions here. So you can see my slide here. This is okay. When you click on the slides like this section is work. So same as it is here with the dot variables, you can get the ID with the dot. We made a function here, current slide, and the when current slide, the class name here is dot. Okay, so when you get the ID of or class here name as dot, so when you click on the dot like this here and here, so this function is working. Okay, now you understand. Now apply a if. Now some conditions here. If n is greater than slide dot length, n means if you have a positive numbers greater than slide length. Slide length over we have a total 3 and is equal to slide or slide index is 1. Okay, so first is and the next is n, but if you put a number that is less than 1, so slide index is equal to slide index dot length. Okay, so next move to the for condition I variables is equal to 0. We can see that first our I is empty. Now we give the I variables to the 0 and I is greater than slide length. Slide length we have a total 3. Okay, and the I plus plus means we have to increment in the slides. Slide index I style dot display is equal to none. So first of all, you can see that I variables have 0 value. So then when we have a 0 value, then it doesn't display any slide. Okay, so when it increment in the I variables, so it moves to the next variable. So next for condition is I is equal to 0, we apply the I variables for two functions. Okay, so like this here we take a two class by the element get element by ID class like this slide and dot. Now we have to put the conditions with these two words. First with the slides and the next one is the dot length. Okay, so we have total dot length is 3, 1, 2 and 3. So dot variable I just as it started with a 0 and class name. Okay, class name, but the class name is dot here. Dot I dot class name and replace active. Okay, so when it moves to the next slide, that means it is active slide. Okay, and move to the next slide like this. And after the condition, but before the closeness, slide index is equal to 1 and slide dot display is equal to block. When slides are finished, that it means it shows the block. But and same as with the door slides. So this is some JavaScript code here. You can understand it easily with the Google. So this is the over today's lecture. I hope you are understand here. So in the next video we learn about the login variables here, username, email ID and password, and then submit them in with the PHP code.